Alright, I am going to try to decode this. Kyler changed the combination, so it's not 0, 0, 0 anymore. Well, 0, as it was when it first came out of the box. So, Kyler, don't give me any tips. I'll just try it myself. I'm going to put this carabiner on it. Tension. Alright. Let's try to do this. Alright, that. I don't know if you could hear that, but that clicked pretty well. Let's try this one. Was that a click? There's a lot of false gates in this. Alright, that one clicked. Now it's just trial and error with this last one. Kyler, you set the combination to 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you kidding me?
No.
Yes, you.
I'm not kidding you.
Alright, well. Okay. Well, I got it, so there's that. Alright, see you in the next vid.